and welcome to the Between the Lakes Vodcast. Today, it's Sunday and it's the 7th of September.
Now then, before we start, just a word again about the changing format. The new Vodcast format seems to have totally redeemed us. You all seem to like the 16:9 format and almost none of you are disappointed, which is absolutely brilliant.
So as you know, we've been asking you, our viewers, for some ideas for names for our weekly Vodcast. We've had quite a few suggestions and we've got it down to our favourite 4. These are number 1, MyCast. Number 2, Pingcast.
Bing!
Number 3, Mandycast. And number 4, 3, 2, 1, Bingcast.
3, 2, 1, Bingcast, which is your favourite, or you're not going to say?
I'm not going to say.
No, but the vote has started. It started last night, didn't it?
Yeah.
And we've had quite a few votes.
We've put it on Facebook.
Yeah.
So if you go on Facebook and find it, it gives you a link to go to, it'll take you to the YouTube page where the poll is and you can vote on there. Yeah. When we end in this vote, Tuesday night?
Yeah, well, yeah. If we end it on Tuesday night, by that time we'll know. It'll give us a good idea and we'll be ready for the next one on Thursday.
So midnight on Tuesday night, we will end it.
We had a disaster on Friday as our boiler packed in and decided to leak all over the kitchen floor.
What a mess.
We contacted our friends at Renovate Concepts, who, if you remember, they did our bathroom, our walk-in shower, did a great job. The boiler was over 8 years old and had had enough, so we had another one fitted. They were great and they came the day after. It went on the Friday. We rang them up Friday after and they came on the Saturday, so absolutely brilliant. A brand new boiler was fitted and working, great service, and thanks very much to Tony and Chris from Renovate Concepts.
Thank you. Now, keep watching to the end of this video because we're going to have a mind-blowing brain teaser for you.
Wow.
So, where do you think we are today? Here's a clue. Did you get it? It's brand new. In fact, there's hardly anything here yet. Have you got it now? Yes, we are in the new development at La Hoya.
Let's have a look at what this area was like back in September 2023. We walked from the Hyperbur, which is that way, that roundabout. We walked all the way across here. It's a big area. And we walked all the way to La Siesta roundabout, or, you know, behind it. And this is what it looks like then. The path here goes all the way from Hyperbur roundabout. And there's an entrance and an exit there. Goes all the way to La Siesta. So we know that work starting in September, which it looks like it has done, albeit very small at the moment. The diggers are here and they are preparing to build those. How many houses is it? A lot, isn't it?
7,000 new homes.
Right.
Which should house 18,000 new residents.
Another 18,000 somewhere. So 7,500 houses, 18,000 residents. And what's the area? It's a massive area, isn't it?
It's 1.8 million square metres.
Wow, that is a lot.
So it's massive.
It's the biggest non-developed area in Torrevieja. If you look on Google Maps and look opposite Altos del Lunar, you'll see this enormous field. And it is big.
And they're also going to have a new big commercial centre.
Yeah, which I assume is going to be where those sticks are there on the corner, because that'd be the obvious place to put it.
Yeah. By
the roundabout where you can have access, car parks, and opposite the strip, our Altos del Lunar strip.
They've said it could take up to about 25 years.
Oh, well, we'll have another casa in the sky by that time.
I was reading the leader. Eduardo Jolon said to have been here on Monday. It came for like the start of what they were going to do, but they can't guarantee that it'll be here
for the end.
At the end, because it's going to take 25 years.
Wow.
And who knows what he might be doing then.
Oh, that's interesting. But it's a big area to fill, you know.
Do you know what the budget is for the infrastructure?
Oh, but it's a lot.
57 million euros.
Wow, that's a lot, isn't it? For the infrastructure?
For the infrastructure, yeah. It's, 57 million euros.
That's a lot.
That's for, like, the roads, the lighting, the drainage, sewage.
Yeah. Just to put that in.
We might get a lot of dust blowing around.
Yeah, I'm sure we will.
Across, because we're just across there.
Yeah.
So if it's windy and it's blowing in our direction.
You can actually see our property from here. But through the trees there. Yeah, can you see it? I can see it.
Yeah.
So these are the paths that are running down. You can see how desolate and deserted it is at the moment. There's the path to La Siesta, and then looking the other way back towards Hyperbur is that there.
Around 7,000 homes are to be built here, and a huge commercial centre along with a secondary school and a nursery school.
From the evidence we've seen, this location where we're stood right now is designated for shops, businesses and commercial properties. Just behind us is the road, or the row, where the commercial properties are going to be. And the one nearest to Hyperbur, probably the biggest area, the big square, is going to be a massive shopping centre.
There's already the Laguna Rosa project being built by the TM Group, which is looking well progressed and almost complete. The whole area is enormous. It will take many years from now to complete. Have a look at this.
I hope we'll still be around when it's finished.
Yeah, but one thing's for sure.
What?
You won't be carrying them bikes upstairs.
I'll be a skeleton by then.
It's quite early in the morning, it's 10 o'clock. Today's temperature is 27 degrees. Cloudy, quite cloudy today. But it's a humidity of about 67% and it feels like 35 degrees.
Look at my shirt, I'm soaking.
Yeah, you're all wet.
I'm soaking, that's a good sign of humidity. If you want to do a humidity test, just look at my shirt. And that's a good way of doing it.
Could squeeze it out.
What about the petrol prices? This is the story of the day. Petrol prices hit a 4-year low this August. Drivers in Spain were paying less at the pump this summer, with petrol and diesel now cheaper than it's ever been in the past 4 years. A 55-litre tank of diesel costs around €78–76, which is €2.31 less than a year ago. For an average petrol tank, this would now come in at round about €81–73, which is down €6.43 from August last year.
The August heatwave was officially declared the most intense in Spain's history. The 10-day period, the 8th to the 17th of August, was the hottest 10 consecutive days recorded in Spain since at least 1950. This extreme heat also has led to many wildfires.
We always welcome comments. Here's 3 from 2 previous videos. This one from the Aldi supermarket comparison episode, and it's from Simon C.
And this one reads, "Very interesting video, Mike and Yvonne, and quite a surprise to be honest. You were right to exclude alcohol in order to maintain the comparison. When exactly did such day-to-day products become more expensive in Spain, I wonder? It blows out the water that life is cheaper in Spain, food-wise. Thanks again, I can rely on your reality checks."
And there's one here from Lee S. From Vodcast 2. "I wouldn't be so down on the first Squadcast as a new venture, and these things are always best when you try out unique ways. It didn't work, but you've asked your viewers and acted on it. It's only a visual thing. Your content is superb." Ooh, thank you. "And I'm sure it will only grow and evolve with each episode." Thank you,
Nice
Lee.
comment. So this one's from Jason K Properties.
We know Jason, don't we?
Yeah, Jason and Claire.
He's just moved in, or they've just moved in, Jason and Claire have just moved in quite near us. Hope they're settling in well, and we'll see you soon.
Yep. And this is about Vodcast number 2. Hats off for trying something different. You can never please everybody, and this is a great example of that point. Keep up the great work.
It's that saying, isn't it? You can please all of the people some of the time, and you can please some of the people all of the time, but you can't please all of the people all of the time.
Our next long form video will be our 8 years on video, where we'll be talking about our journey in Spain over the last 8 years.
Now it's time for something a bit different.
Ooh,
are you ready for this?
Yeah.
Now, I want you all to try this at home. It's a simple maths thing, but needs a little bit of concentration. Are you all ready? Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you sure?
I'm ready.
Now I want you to think of a number between 1 and 10.
Do I tell you?
No, don't tell me. Have you got a number between 1 and 10?
Yeah.
Don't tell me what it is. Right, now, I want you to multiply, this is the hardest bit, I want you to multiply it by 9.
Ooh.
Do you know your 9 times table?
Right, yeah, I've
Right.
done that.
Have you got that?
Yep.
Now then, whatever you've got, the answer, take whatever you've got and add those 2 digits together. Right,
Okay.
so take the 2 digits, add them together.
Okay,
Have you got that?
I've got that.
Now I want you to take away 5.
Okay.
Take away 5 from those 2 digits, added together.
Are you keeping up?
I'm trying to keep up. And now then, take the letter in the alphabet that corresponds with the number you've got. So 1 is A, 2 is B, 3 is C, and so on. Have you got it?
Got it?
Are you sure?
Yeah,
Have you got it in your head?
it's in my head.
You got it all locked in?
Locked in.
Now I want you to think of a country that begins with your letter.
Okay.
Right, have you got that?
Yeah.
Now I want you to take the last letter of that country
Okay.
and think of an animal.
Okay.
Have you got an animal?
Got an animal.
Now that animal, I want you to take the last letter of that animal's name and I want you to think of a fruit.
Fruit.
Don't tell me what it is.
Right, I've got one.
Have you got that?
I have.
Are you absolutely sure?
Yeah.
Now don't tell me if you're thinking of a kangaroo in Denmark with an orange.
Yeah? How did you get that?
How did you go on at home? Let me know in
Well-
the comments. I mean, are you stunned?
I'm stunned. If you're watching this premiere live at 8 o'clock tonight, when it's finished, go outside to an elevated position, or better still, on one of Torrevieja's beaches if you can get there quick enough, and watch the moonrise take 20 in the east, and you will see the partial eclipse at its fullest, which will last until 9:56 when the partial eclipse ends.
We're not going to see the best bit really, but when it comes up from the horizon over the sea, it'll look very red, and it's called a blood moon, because the Earth's in the way between the sun and the moon, and it just appears like a red shadow. So it'll look like that, and probably very, very spectacular at the early stage, if you can see it, because it'll be in shadow.
If these clouds go.
Yeah, if these clouds, I mean it's cloudy now, so if it's like this tonight, we won't have much chance of seeing anything. But it'll last until nearly 10 o'clock, so, and then it'll become a normal moon again. But quite interesting. I think I'm looking forward to seeing that. We're going to go down. We're going down with Andy from.
Yeah.
He used to have the supermarket down at the marina.
Andy and Rita.
Andy and Rita, but he's doing other things now. And we're meeting up and having a drink, and we're going to go on the beach and watch it and see what we can see. I might take some pictures. Well, I will take some pictures if I can get some nice pictures. If it's not cloudy, and we'll put them in the next podcast on Thursday.
Or whatever it might be called. Well, will it still be called Vodcast?
Oh, I don't know. It might not be called Vodcast on Thursday
We'll have to
because
see.
the poll is doing very well. It's been very popular. A lot of people have voted. A lot of people voted last night, didn't they?
Yeah.
So, on that note, it's time to wrap up the Vodcast. So it's a thumbs up if you enjoyed the Vodcast, a thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed the Vodcast. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already.
Because it's free.
And don't forget to hit that notification bell.
3, 2, 1. Ping!
Adios.
So tune in to our channel, don't miss out. With Mike and Yvonne, we'll show you about between the lakes where happiness flows, cycling through the coast where your adventure grows.